Before you rent any place, here are 5 legal rights you should know. First, always have a written rent agreement. Not bhaiya pe trust hai, written, signed. Because if things go wrong later, verbal promises are almost useless. And yes, if you live in places like Delhi or similar places, you have probably seen this 11-month agreement. That is usually done so registration complications can be avoided, which is why people keep renewing agreements every 11 months. It's very common, but just because it's an 11-month agreement does not mean that it's casual or legally useless. Please read it properly before signing. Second, your landlord cannot randomly enter the house. Once you rent the place, you have a right to privacy. Owner hona alag baat hai, but they still cannot just walk in whenever they want. And if this keeps happening, keep everything on text and politely tell them that prior notice is needed. If it becomes excessive or harassing, even legal action can be taken. Third, security deposit is refundable. Landlords can deduct actual damages or pending rent, but mood nahi hai return karne ka is not a legal reason. And please record videos and photos of the flat before moving in. Nobody thinks that this is important until the deposit disappears. Fourth, you usually cannot be thrown out overnight. Most rent agreements have notice periods. So suddenly saying ke kal tak ghar khali karo generally does not work legally. Read the notice clause properly before moving in. Fifth, read every clause before signing, especially things related to lock-in period, maintenance, painting charges, brokerage, notice period, repairs, because people sign agreements in 2 minutes and spend the next 6 months fighting over them. So save this before your next house hunt.